Hey, Bob Carr here with another episode of the Bob Carr Show. In the studio today, joining us, I guess it's been probably a year, Mr. Drew. How's sales in the TLC world? How you doing this summer?
Pretty good. So far, we just started doing financing, so that's a good opportunity for everybody to get whatever summer projects they want done, and it's an easier way for them to be able to make monthly payments.
What I heard, it's 90-day deferred, same as cash, so people are loving this program.
Yes, sir.
So financing, you think it's pretty easy for everybody involved?
Yes, sir. It's basically, I'll write you up the quote of what you need, and then from there, before I head out, I'm going to confirm your email with you, and I'm going to send you the link, and then from there, you would go on and get approved.
So you send them a link.
Yes, sir.
They put in their name, address, phone number, email, social security number. They hit a button within seconds that tells them that they're approved. So the unsecured financing we got from $1,000 starts at $1,000 for a small repair, up to $150,000 project.
Yes, sir.
So that's a good deal for a homeowner. And we have different secured programs. Then we got subprime. Then if you got somebody's down on their luck on their financing down and their FICO score is only like 525, they got poor credit for whatever reason. Maybe they had a lot of medical bills. Maybe they just had a divorce or bankruptcy. Everybody's been through something in life. This will help people get back on their feet. Maybe they're trying to flip something, trying to get a house put together, whatever it might be, trying to get secure finance with that. We can get them financed on that too. So basically anybody, as long as they've been paying their bills and have some sort of credit score, some sort of social security number, we can get them financed more than likely.
Yes, sir. There was a recent one that we did a drainage. We did that in January, and then I saw her again in April, and she was able to get financing because she just didn't have available funds.
Yeah,
disposable funds.
Yeah. So this has been a big success for your sales this year.
For everybody involved.
That's good stuff. Anyway, I appreciate you coming in today.
Thank you, sir.
And I'll let you go, get back on the road. I know you're busy.
Yes, sir.
And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show.